Today we're going to read the letter D story in our Alphatales series. The title of our story is Detective Dog and the Disappearing Doughnuts. The author is Valerie Garfield, that means she wrote the book, and it was illustrated by Paul Harvey. He drew the pictures. So as we go through our letter D story, I want you to pay attention to all of the words that begin with the D sound. Okay, I will read it once for fun, and then I want you to listen to the story again and pick out all of the letter D words. So we're going to open page 1, and we see in the illustration it says Dave's Diner. Detective Dog went to Dave's Diner every day for dinner. There's a lot of D words there. Turn. For dessert, Detective Dog always ordered a donut. Detective Dog loved donuts. Look, she's thinking about the donuts. One day after dinner, Detective Dog said to Dave, "Today is my birthday. I think I will have 2 donuts for dessert to celebrate." "On the double, Detective," said Dave. Okay, turn. "Oh dear," Dave cried. "The donuts have disappeared." "Doggone it," said Detective Dog. "I have some detecting to do." There's a lot of D words on there. All the words that begin with the D sound. Suddenly, Detective Dog noticed something near the door. Powdered sugar. "If I follow this trail of donut dust, I bet I'll find the thief," she said. Turn. Detective Dog followed the trail of donut dust downtown. She followed it past Drake's drugstore and the department store. Turn. The trail led right into Debbie's Deli. "The donut napper must be in here," said Detective Dog. Detective Dog turned the doorknob. She stepped inside the deli. It was completely dark. Turn. Oh. Suddenly, the light flashed on. "Surprise!" yelled Detective Dog's friends. "Hot diggity dog," said the detective. "It's a birthday party." Their sign says, "Happy birthday, Detective Dog." Turn. Dave told Detective Dog that he only pretended the donuts had disappeared. Dave made the trail of donut dust to lead the detective to the party. Detective Dog was delighted with the party. There were dazzling decorations and dandy gifts, and best of all, there were dozens and dozens of delicious donuts. Okay, let's stop for just a minute and count how many words start with the letter D, capital and lowercase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 words that start with the letter D. Go ahead and turn. That's the end of the story. We have our letter D picture search. How many things can you find that begin with the letter D? So anything that makes the D sound. You can pause it for a minute and take a second to look over the picture. I see a dollar and a dinosaur, a doll, a detective, a dog, some donuts, there anything else that you see? You can keep looking. Okay, when you're ready, we're going to turn the page and do our letter D cheer. D is for dog and donut too. D is for dolphin in the ocean blue. D is for doll, doctor and door. D is for duck and dinosaur. Hooray for D, big and small, the most dazzling, delightful letter of all. That's the end of our letter D story. So close the back cover. Okay, I want you to start over, and I want you to find all of the words that begin with the letter D, a capital or a lowercase. D, D, D. Remember, on your lowercase d's, it's always the circle and then the line. Okay, have fun.